Ku ng Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel, Johnny.
Pero ganun pa man, di ba? Hindi mo pa rin pwedeng sabing magre-relax against guys like Marcio. Dahil, again, always a threat sa mga contest na ganito. Okay? Here we go.
Starting from the right corner pocket. Ku finally gets one down. Importante yan for your confidence, Jolly.
May ka-ching-ching bell akong nadidinig doon kada may pumapasok ka na tira. Again, these regular balls, 1 point po yan. 1 point po ito kung pumasok. Ito po ang dos. Yang may parang gold ba yan? Bonus line ako eh.
Siyempre, PBA 50 Golden Anniversary. Kaya ginto ang ating colored balls. From straight away, Ralph struggling a bit. He's getting those 2 balls to stick. Here's another big one. At ito na yung money ball rack niya.
Yeah, he feels yan ang best spot niya. Si Ralph Ku, dyan niya pinuwesto yung 5 money balls.
And he's cashing in right now, Jolly.
Nako, diluwa yun.
Got 3 of those 5. Laking bagay nun. Left corner pocket to end this. All kinds of time. He can relax a bit. Pero pag in-rhythm ka na, baka masira pa pag pinagalan mo, di ba? That's a nice finish para kay Ralph Ku.
Unofficial to 21 points, but seems like yan yun.
He got to the last rack in a hurry. Had all kinds of time. And a nicer finish from the way he started to register a solid 21.
I believe next up we're going to be seeing Cedric Barefield, kung hindi ako nagkakamali.
Si Barefield nga magiging kasunod. Pero first things first, tinitignan natin yung nice finish. Wala dito kay Ralph Ku. And he gets the congratulations from his contempt. And then nga po, 75 seconds on the clock, a minute 15. And Barefield will struggle on that opening rack. Just making 1 so far.
Probably a little too chill besides Boss Danny there. Nakaupo lamang. Not feeling the need na parang alam mo yun, yung katalon-talon, mag-warm up. He just got up and started shooting threes.
He's starting to get into a rhythm though. Mas maganda yung second rack niya. From straight away. Nako. Matidisgrasya si Barefield dito.
Kaya,
aray ko.
Stress ito. Kung pumasok, ayun na nga. Laking bagay nun eh, no?
Barefield trying to catch up. 21 was the score put up by Ralph Ku earlier on. Got a shot at it here. If he goes perfect. Oh, he's catching fire here. Naubusan lang ng oras. Jolly E. Yun lang.
It says 14 points dito sa ating scoreboard. Pero
May mga stepping siguro.
Siguro, kaya
May mga stepping doon sa kanan, sa kanto, hindi natin natanaw from our angle. Pero doon sa dulo, ang dami niyang 3 pinasok niya doon eh.
Hindi kinount, no?
Hindi kinount.
Siyempre, may nagbabantay dyan.
Oo, hindi ka pwede stepping. Hindi pwedeng hindi sadya. Kaya namili niya.
Tama ka. Hindi tres yun. Stepping low. Long two sa atin yun eh, di ba?
Ito. Dito, maganda na eh. Maganda na yung stroke. Dito nakarangan. Pero look at the ref. Di ba? Hindi siya inaano eh. Wini-wave up eh. Dahil may mga stepping nga doon.
So, 14.
Officially, it is a 14-point performance. Top 3 ang hinahanap natin to advance to the next phase. One from the corner. Will score just 2 so far. Ito na yung right wing. Maganda, wala siya masyadong elevation. Ano yun ang kinakailangan sa 3-point contest. Dahil hindi ka mapapagod, hindi ka mag-aaksaya ng oras.
Tama yung oras doon eh, di ba? Mabilis eh. Bilis lang, you just pick it up and launch mo yung tira mo. Hindi na ipatok yung 3 points sana yun.
Moneyball rack to, Jalia. Top of the key, Moneyball rack. Double the points. Kaching, kaching, kaching. Kaching. And kaching. A perfect Moneyball rack.
Ayan.
2 racks to go. 16 points na to. Magiging mabigat to. If he doesn't taper off.
Wanting to be better than 21.
And here it comes. Ayaw.
Pang 22.
Juan Gomez Diliano on the last ball takes the lead sa prelims ng 2026 PBA All-Star 3-point Shootout.
Again, Ralph with 21 points. Cedric Fairfield, 14 lamang. At yung 22, etong Team 1, GDL, Gomez Diliano.
Top 3 po ang mag-advance sa final. So officially, right now, as of the moment, sabi ng mga bata, at the Momo, 14 is the number to beat. You beat 14, may pag-asa ka, and that will eliminate Cedric Fairfield. So 14 ang hinahabol para mag-top 3. Ito yung Moneyball rack ni JGDL. Nagpakababa yung pang-apat eh. Hindi yan. Ito. Kita mo naman to, nagpa-suspense pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bangkaway Leonard, ang datingan. O Big Soto. Ganun din tumira si Bossy sa mga pelikula. So officially, he takes the lead. Talking about Juan.
Kapatid. Javi Gomez Diliano naman.
Nakatos lang si Juan kanina sa opening rack. Nalamangan siya ng isa ng kanyang kapatid. Javi from the Magnolia Hotshots.
Nice looking release from big boy Javi Gomez Diliano.
He's got to pick up the pace here. Cedric Fairfield, kaya naka-inset. He is in danger right now. Dito nag-perfect si Juan. Si Javi, nagbinti sa pangatlo. But still a solid 4 or 5 from there.
Sayang yun.
Nako, nanlamig si Javi. That high Fairfield. This puts him in the top 3. This one improves his chances.
7 seconds.
Yun lang, mabagal yung kanyang pace. Hindi aabot sa last ball to. But still a solid 19, Johnny.
Okay pa rin. Tama ka in that yung colored ball, di naka-count yan sa dulo. 19 puntos po itong si Javi Gomez Diliano.
So now the brand new number to beat is 19. Out na si Fairfield. Statistically here, the top 3 nga lang po ang lulusot. So we've got a 22 from Juan, 21 from Ku, and a 19 from Javi. Up next, si Jake Cancino ng Meralco Bolts. Dito, no, gumanda yung pagkakataon ni Javi dahil he caught that rack right there.
Still ends up with 19 points at mabilis ng format.
Pero siya yung bubble boy ngayon. Ang inaabol 19.
Nakadikit na dito kay Ralco, 21. Ito na si CJ Cancino.
Ako, sobra yung una. Bilis to adjustment. No? Moneyball is good. 3 points through 1. Ito yung Moneyball rank niya sa pangalawa. Maganda ba diskarte sa pangalawa para hindi ka pa masyadong pagod dyan?
Pakiramdam niya, pataas ang porsyento niya sa ganyan. No? Making, was that 4 out of 5?
Iisa pala nakaka-shoot ng 3 ball. Pocari sweat balls dyan sa
Malaking bagay.
4-point area.
3 puntos yun eh.
Moneyball on the way. That one rattles home.
Hindi na ipasok. Couple more racks.
He's going to need to clean up the last one. CJ will have to shoot a perfect final rack here to get a shot at it. Haba pa ng oras, 12 seconds pa. That's 3. That's 4. CJ Cansino will catch Javi at 19.
Ni-request mo, partner eh. Sabi mo, yung last round has to be.
He needed that perfect run.
Oo nga.
And yun ang gusto mo, mga clutch player, mga under pressure, under the gun, pero mag-perform.
Yeah.
So still the best score of the day belongs to Juan Gomez de Leaño at 22. Ralph Wu's got 21. And then tied at 19 is Javi and CJ after he made up for his deficit in that last rack. Pero dalawa sila ngayong in danger. 19 pa rin. Cyrus Torres ng NLEX is up next.
Oras na may makabente dito, big lang laglag yung dalawang 19 na yun.
Dalawa kayong sabay pabalik ng hotel. Ay, hindi maglalaro pa mamaya ng mga dalawa.
Pinauwi mo na
May RSJ pa pala. May RSJ na.
RS versus J tayo today. Cyrus Torres now. 4 puntos na. Pais. Yun, laking bagay nun, boss.
And look at Berto Bolick celebrate what his teammate is doing right now. Malaking tiwala ni Coach Jong Ichigo sa batang ito, ni Cyrus Torres. He's gotten a lot of minutes, a lot of key runs, and of course, sometimes starters, sometimes finisher pa para sa NLEX.
Well, that's a knack for hitting big 3-pointers in a game. Even 4-pointers to Cyrus Torres.
He's gonna have to come up big here.
Sinipas ng gusto yun.
A perfect final run will eliminate both Javi and CJ. That's not gonna happen. He can still tie. If he stays perfect, 2 away from it. This one. Oh! That would have tied at 19. But that'll leave Cyrus short of advancing 17 na po ito sa niya.
And that will leave Javi Gomez de Leaño and CJ Cansino's 19 points still alive. Pag nagkataon to, parang knockout siguro mangyayari between these two guys na may identical na puntos.
Manghuhula ako. Kutob ko hindi. 6 pa yung parating eh.
Dami pa.
May Escantor ka pa, may Karapo, may Lassiter pa dyan, may Jerry Gramisi pa
Yun
dyan.
ang matindin dalawa.
At yung Lana.
Defending
Defending champion,
tatlo.
parating pa.
Oo.
Sayang naman.
Parang ubusin yung huling rack na yun.
Aray. Escantor under the bright lights will make the third. Moneyball's important. Sakit dyan, 1 point pa lang, Jolly.
Tingnan natin if he will catch fire. Si Francis Escantor.
Ito na, nag-uumpisa na. Mag-iiba sana ang timpla kung pumasok yung Moneyball kanina. Straight away, rack. Alat para kay Escantor. Ayan na, sisimula na mag-rhythm dito. Laki bagay nun.
Ito maganda, may pasok niya. From the 4, it will be a 3. There it is.
He's well in the running. Tanda natin yung Moneyball rack is last. He's got 16 seconds remaining in his run.
Okay naman ang pace. Let's see.
He's only going to have about 8 seconds to try and throw up 5 balls. So it's sabi mo, Johnny, nagmamadali ka. Nagmamadali ka sa Moneyball. Never a good idea to leave it last. Hindi mo yuhuli yun eh. Magmamadali ka eh, di ba?
Kahit second to the last man lang, di ba? Pero wag last, di ba? Yun na nga, that is very important yung mga bolang yun. Dahil tagpudos putos yun. So yung isa dun, hindi pa counted dahil hindi na nga umabot. I think he made a couple of those pa rin.
You warned them, El Patron.
I did, no?
Kami lang winarningan mo, hindi naman siya.
Hindi rin.
So that will not be good enough to advance. Only 16. Actually, pinakamababang score so far yan. ngayong 2026 3-point contest.
Again, di ba, aga natin dito, alas 2:30, andito na siya. Working on his shot, working on his game, talking about Andre Caracot, pero medyo struggle yung kanyang umpisa.
Naubos yata kanina ng ensayo. Pampira.
Ito na, dos.
Asan yung Moneyball rack? Sa uli rin. Sa uli rin nilagay, Jolly.
Never a good idea, Andre. Let's see. Baka super bilis ang pace niya. Mukhang okay ang pace. Let's see.
Here's the 3-ball. No. Kanina, perfect siya dyan sa top of the key nung ensayo. Pero pagka nakasindi na nga mga ilaw at nakatutok na mga camera, iba yan, Jolly.
Oo.
Right now, you just want to play for not worst.
There he is.
Ayan na. Ang dami ng oras niya. He can make up for this. He's coming into the final rack early. That is going to be his money ball rack. 10 points available here.
Boom.
2. 4. 1 away from tying.
Yo.
That's a tie. This to make the top 3.
Oh, ho, ho.
Caracot sneaks in, and he eliminates Javi and CJ in the process. Buzzer beater pa.
Oh, tied with Juan Gomez Del Llano, the 22 points of Andre Caracot. And then right next to them is Ralph Fu.
Sila Mamu, ang saya, tsaka sila Noko, mga kasama niya sa Rain or Shine.
So it worked. Yung kanyang pag-ensayo kanina.
Sa dulo pala bumawi.
no?
Ilan yung naging total niya? 22?
Oo. Pinakamataas. Silang dalawa ni Juan GDL.
So ngayon, ang at risk is Ralph Fu, yung 21. Super Marshall Lassiter, a 39% career 3-point shooter. The greatest when it comes to taking the in-game 3 sa kasaysayan ng PBA. The most ever.
Hindi, may dalawang 22, may 21, tapos dalawang 19.
Wala rin 19. Top 3. Ano? First place, 22. Second place, 21. Third place, 19. Ang husay sa mat. Gagalit sa'yo si Dr. Jane yan, Jolly.
Eto na.
Here he comes.
Si Wami tuwan-tuwa eh. Parang alam niyang ito na eh.
Marshall has made so many of the All-Star Game 3-point shootout finals, but believe it or not, has never won it. It's 2026 the year for Super Marcio. Straight away. Ito na naman. Let's point it out. Last rack yung Moneyball. Moneyball rack yung huli.
Gusto nilang madalin mga sarili nila.
Marcio straight away.
10 puntos.
11. 14. Ayan na si Marcio. In rhythm. And all kinds of time for his money ball rack, Jolly.
Okay.
13 seconds to get it done. Lassiter lights it up. He's got 21 so far. He's got the lead. Marshall Lassiter. Asinan mo, baby.
Sinasabi natin kanina, merong mag-25. And the best of the business just did it. 25 big ones para kay Marcio Lassiter.
Dito sa gitna, nagsimula mag-pick up si Marcio. At yan ang mga ayaw na nakikita ng kahit sinong nakakalaban sa PBA pag ganyang in rhythm na sila si Terano.
Si Wami sa first track pa lang nagsa-celebrate na eh.
Kita niyo yung pinag- araw-araw mo
parang alam na niya eh, no? Parang
Maganda
sabi
yung
na
gising,
relax lang kayo.
maganda yung stroke, may follow through. Alam na nila, araw-araw nila nakikita sa ensayo yan. A 25 for Wami, meaning eliminated na nga si Radku. So far ang pasok, 25 ni Lassiter, 22 ni Caracot, 22 ni Juan. Dalawa silang nasa bubble ngayon. Yung plake na napanalo ng obstacle course. Jerry Camisi, sabi niya, dadalawahin daw niya yan. Tignan natin kung magkatotoo. Camisi, Off to a slow start here, but he gets the money ball. 22 the number to beat. Here in the prelims, top 3 nga po ang papasok sa
That's
next
the way to
phase.
do it. Money ball rack, di ba? Maaga pa lang, oh.
He got 4 of the 5.
Siguradong mabitawan mo lahat ng malinis.
Well,
di
so
ba?
far, anybody not named Lassiter, nag-backfire yung last Rocky Moneyball. Lassiter lang ang bumuo nun. Maganda yan. Ayan na si Jeric. Ang 17 pa to. Hindi makakuha yun.
15. Let's see.
Ang 18 daw.
Oy!
Specialty pa naman yun. Gonna have a lot of catching up to do here. Ayan, nag-init na. Nag-init na. He can take the lead if he stays perfect. He can tie.
Pwede ba?
That's 22. Inabot. 22. Tatlo na. May 22 ngayon, Johnny. Pag itong dalawang huling ibinasag yung 22, dadami yung finalist. Triple tie sa 22 eh.
Oo nga.
Pag hindi naka-22 si Carelipio at si Oftana, magiging 4 ang finalist natin.
So Lassiter at 25, tapos yung sinasabi mong tatlo na nasa 22, Juan GDL, Karakot and Jerica Hanmisi.
So King Caralipio ng Titan Ultra Giant Risers start 3-point contest. All eyes on King. Medyo mabagal mag-release, Jackie. Baka hindi umabot sa dulo.
Titingnan naman
Tsaka
natin.
tinitignan pa niya kung pasok o hindi bago siya umabot na susunod na
Correct.
bola. Tignan mo.
At yung money ball rack din nito ay nasa dulo din.
Nako.
Which might be a problem.
At this pace, it might
Oo.
be a problem, Jolly. Here's the 3 ball.
3 puntos pa lamang.
You gotta be reaching for the ball bago pa.
Yeah.
Dapat mid-flight. Hindi mo dapat antayin kung pasok o hindi. Ano? And King Caralipio is struggling at the moment. He's gonna need a perfect run here. So far, ano, ang pinakamababa si Cedric Bearfield with 14. Si Escantor had 16. Caralipio in danger of setting the lowest score. 10 seconds to complete 5 balls. Yan ang sinasabi natin, Jolly.
Magpamadali na masyado.
Abot.
Abot.
Pati yung pag-abot eh. Kita mo na yan. And that is now the lowest score so far. So ito ngayon, 25 si Marcio. Pasok na yun. Pasok na sa final si Marcio with 25. Yung 22-22-20. Para sa pagkakataong madepensa ng kanyang corona and become a 2-time champion. But first things first, you gotta make the finals. He won it all last year, and he's off to a nice start. Oftana making that money ball. 4 points from the first round.
So not so bad.
Nako, nanlamig ng bagya. Needs this one. This one's for 3. Defending champion in trouble right now. He needs to get to 22 to make the finals. His money ball rack, 2 out of 3, 3 out of 4, 4 out of 5.
Big one, big rack.
Laki pang habol nun. That would have been huge. But he's got a lot of time. He can make up for it here. Shooter ng Gilas Pilipinas. Nagpapakita sa Canton City. Nabitin lang. That's gonna be trouble. Only 6 points available. Hindi na ubra. Hindi na abot sa 22. Hindi abot sa 22. Si Galvin Oftana. So the defending champ has been dethroned. Oftana will not advance El Patron.
Ito na nga yung pinag-uusapan natin. Parang apat yata sila dito. Marcio Lassiter, of course. At the